Live action.
Live action.
A live map phone.
Yee!
That turtle man, what's his name?
Live action.
No, his name's Turtle Man.
His name's Turtle Man. Yeah, live
Where'd
action.
he go?
Yee! I think his meth trailer burnt down.
I think we need to have live action that time.
It looks like you're on your way.
Just live camera set up around the shop every nap.
We do have live cameras set up.
Well, I mean on the website, so people, like Gas Monkey.
Oh.
Gas Monkey has their live camera set up on their parking lot, so they can see when people can go online and see when they're doing burnouts. We can just have cameras set up around the shop at our nap spots, and they can go on Facebook or wherever, see if anybody's in their nap spot.
And wonder why.
I think we need to buy us a drone. What do y'all think?
A drone.
Yeah.
Like a robot drone?
No, a drone to fly around and record. Yeah.
Sure.
Not in the shop, but
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah, sure. That'd be cool.
It could. I mean, when you, as slow as you walk back and forth from the shop, I'd be in the front office flying it. As long as I buzz the tower, your head.
I'll shoot that thing out the sky.
Well, I'm afraid that if I hit your head, it'd probably break it.
It probably would.
The chrome dome. Hey, won't you shave your head over?
Bald? That's what a chrome dome is.
I know. Won't you shave it over Christmas?
Why?
Come back bald.
Would your head be lumpy? You have a lumpy
hell
head?
yeah.
Same.
Y'all would tell me to put a wig on.
My head would be lumpy too.
Yeah.
Why don't you just get a wig and put it on anyway? Long hair, like 80s wig.
Why?
He did try a mullet. I don't know if y'all remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why's he trying to dress us up?
I gotta make you more interesting.
Who?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because, I mean, you used to be the Karate King, now I am. And
We know you don't want Zach taking back over camera time.
Why?
Because you always complain Zach got too much camera
No, I
time.
never said that.
hey, I believe Zach's ready. I mean, he's been busting out some pretty funny stuff lately, so I think he's been off camera enough that he's rejuvenated. I think he said he's going to be the star when we come back with episode 90.
The star?
The star of Creative Rods. Shop
I
Walk.
think
Film him without a ding-dong in his mouth. He might be a star.
God.
we need to get, this is either a really good idea or a really bad idea. It'd take a lot of editing though. You just everybody needs a mic that records all day.
Oh, that'd be good on Carter.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so we get one mic for Carter, because Carter's the only one that says random stuff out throughout the day. Get a mic on Carter, and we can have a whole shop walk that's just, or an episode separate from shop walk that's just Carter noises.
Carter
It'll
noises.
be a whole episode that's just audio from Carter's mic from that week.
Huh.
I'm going to have to go buy some damn microphones now, ain't I?
And then,
I mean, that'd be pretty entertaining.
what would be funny is to have Carter's voice, but dubbed over our mouths while we're...
I'm going to get GoPros for every person in here. You're going to have to wear it on one of the things on your head, you know, and a microphone. Y'all going to walk around all day with GoPros on. Now, I don't know, because it might hit like when you get up under a car like that.
Right.
But, I don't know. So we having to rebuild this back or this front axle?
Just
The front.
The back looks alright.
Yeah, the back. We're just changing the green radiation / little.
Well, the front, I think the front was connected to the radiator. It had like a 50-50 coolant water mix.
Yeah. Somebody left it outside or something?
Yeah, because I cracked it open and water came running out. And then gear oil. Well, mud.
And the axle tube.
And the axle's tube's leaking.
Yeah.
We can seam seal that.
Seam seal it. What'd you say?
I did say seam seal it.
Yeah.
What's that little car we got in the background right there? A little Daytona coupe.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all ain't seen one of them. That thing came out with South Africa. Was on the race circuit.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Racing against kangaroos.
And coyotes, roadrunners.
Tasmanian devil.
Oh, man.
Yep.
Well, I guess I'll roll back up there to the front.
Yep, that's it. Y'all stay tuned. Watch that bad boy come together.